96, 97, 98, 99, 100. Kingsmill, you caught me finishing up that workout. Believe it or not, that's the easiest we've worked all week. We have busted our butts, getting this place ready to go, and we are super excited. The place looks phenomenal. All the equipment is uncovered, deep cleaned, ready to go, set up for success. We have all the technology installed. We have all the towels in place. Operationally, we are set and ready to rock. At the end of the video, we'll talk about what's coming up next, but super excited to highlight technology here. What's been done in the building is super cool. You're all gonna be super proud. Check this out, little magic stick. Got all the TVs up in the building, ready to go. We got 5 on the weight floor. We got 6 on the cardio floor, 3 on each wall. All of our equipment is hooked up, set up to the internet, ready to go. It is pretty dang impressive. Smart workout equipment. It's automatically on. Smartphone charger, starts. We can choose any workout we want. We can do live classes, we can do on-demand workouts, we can do interactive terrains. We're gonna do a Southwest run. We're gonna do it for 60 minutes. We're gonna add a little 6% incline. We're gonna choose what section of the run we wanna go in. We're gonna jump out of the canyon here. Whew, man, time to start working out again. Pretty dang cool. Let's go. So, kicks in the gear. You can smart pair your Apple Watch so it logs your workout directly onto your fitness tracker. The Samsung as well. Live phone charger. You can also Bluetooth connect your headphones, or you can hardwire them in to the system as well. And this impressive tablet is actually on every single one of our cardio machines. So some pretty dang impressive workouts that you can do. You can create your own, you can go live, whatever you want to do. Pretty dang impressive. On top of that, we have music throughout the building. All the speakers work great. We actually have a PA system installed, so we're all set up and ready to go. We can make out calls and fun events as well. Our live interactive video board is getting a software update as we speak, so that's gonna be ready to go. Overall, Kingsmill, we are super excited, super proud of what the team did here the past couple days. All right, so we've had to pass 6 inspections to get us ready and issue a certificate of occupancy. We've passed 2. We got 4 more next week. We have electrical, plumbing, mechanical, and fire suppression. Once those are done, we're gonna get our certificate. Hopefully all goes well next week. We got crews lined up, ready to go if there's anything we need to adjust. But once we get that green light, be on the lookout. We're gonna kick off some programming with locker selections. We're gonna do equipment orientation. We're gonna do a great kickoff party. So looking forward, please keep your bunny ears open over Easter weekend and coming up. I hope you all have a safe and great holiday. Thank you for being a member. We are very much looking forward to seeing you here in the building very soon. Take care.